maybe.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to Twisted Ignition, and I'm not one to talk, but this shop's a pigsty.
Yeah, it's pretty bad in here. We have been working and not cleaning whatsoever.
Yeah, the whole tripping was completely on accident as walked in, but that kind of really showcased exactly what is going on. It's a mess. We're about to freaking clean up.
Yeah, so it's not going to be real exciting today, but hey, you guys got to see us clean the shop up.
Nah.
Can't say we never did.
You're right. Can't say we never did.
And then we're going to be getting back into the bigger projects.
Yes. And that's the whole point of cleaning the shop, so that we can actually work on something instead of tripping on something.
Agreed.
So let's get into it.
Let's go.
We have a lot coming up in the next couple of videos. We have the C10, which is a big project that we're going to have lots more content to do.
Yeah, and we're definitely aiming to try to start it and not stop with it until it's done.
Yeah, so that hopefully every week is a new update, and once our Banks gets here, it will be ready.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, there's nothing like crunch time in the winter. We want to try to avoid that as much as possible, so we're not out here till 3 a.m. every night.
Yeah.
2 weeks before the show.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, that was a rough week.
Yes.
Yeah, it was. And then having the motor blow up, that was definitely deflated us a little bit.
A lot of it.
But we got a new motor, and this one better not blow up.
It came out of a good running car.
Yeah,
A fast car.
But other than that, we also have the Javelin coming up. That'll be after the C10. We might play here and there with it in between if we have time.
Yep. That one's not going to be as focused on the channel. It's more of a side project. But we will definitely show highlights of updates on what's done to it. Now we're going to attempt to put our new shelf up top.
Watch they go around the corner.
That's going to be the only issue. I'll help you guys.
Yeah, thanks.
Moral support is important.
Actually, you want to take a rag and clean off all the spider things and throw it up there? Hold on, mate.
I got it. It's going to be a very tight turn.
Like a tiger. You gotta lower it for a thing here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright. He's tiptoeing.
I was.
Just stand it up. I can't.
2x4.
Now you're asking yourself, why didn't we go and just rip it apart and then bring it up piece by piece? Because that would have been too easy.
Yeah, we like to trouble.
We like to make things hard for ourselves.
Oh, you're right. Keep coming.
So, nothing crazy up here. We got our air compressor up here, some simple storage.
Yeah, nice little walkway. We're filling up slowly. And lots of towels and bags.
But we got it up here.
We're good. All in one unit. Is that sitting on my roof?
This?
Oh, it's sitting on.
Sitting on rafters.
Steps are a little sketchy.
Yeah,
Very.
That 4x4 against the wall has saved my life many times.
Oh, that probably wasn't on you at all.
It's okay.
We have a product sent to us from Oxam.
These are their M5S series LED headlights. And if you want to go and get your hands on your own headlights for your ride, use the link in our description below. And while you're checking out, use promo code TWISTED20 to get 20% off your order. You're gonna get your product manual. Very important information. We're gonna just put that in the lid because we know what we're doing. We're semi-professionals. We got some nice white gloves. Rick, you wanna use the gloves?
I don't think they're gonna fit my hands, but
They'll fit your hands. You'll be fine.
Yeah, use the gloves. These come with a little fan in the bottom to actually keep everything nice and cool. They are made out of a nice aluminum alloy that keeps them nice and lightweight.
They fit.
you're right, they did fit. Wow, they're much brighter. I don't know if you can see that on camera. They're obviously much whiter. It is really, really intense in the center where you will be driving. There's still a little bit of shadow here, but if you look over here, look at how much brighter it is all the way back to the bumper. And how much brighter it is. Heck, I can see all the way over to the corner of my shop. That is 40 feet away.
If you want to get your hands on these beautiful, bright LED lights from Oxam,
You need to go down, click the link in our description down below. Takes right to Oxlam's website. Use promo code TWISTED20 to get 20% off your product order. And later down the road, I hope we can indulge into some Firebird Camaro stuff.
Yeah, you got a big project coming with the Firebird,
I
right?
do. I'm slowly collecting parts to make that work, and I want to try to have as much as I can ready, so we're not waiting so often. We can just go in, do what we got to do every week.
Do you want to tell the crowd what you're gonna do, or are you gonna keep it a secret?
We're gonna hold off on what I'm doing
Alright.
with that car. We're gonna hold off on that, but it's gonna be a lot of work. But I have faith in our abilities and what we got coming.
So we are cleaning, and I found something, a little side project for Nate here, because
a long time ago,
many moons.
many moons ago, there used to be this little
There
bar
used to be. I like that.
right here, and I stepped on it and it broke off. So I'm gonna fix it real quick.
Yeah, that was in the pile of anonymous stuff that we found.
Mm-hmm.
So, he who broke it is he who gets to fix it.
He who broke it, he gets to fix it. I like that.
Oh, he's fixing it.
He is. I'll give him credit.
Ready?
Wow! I just looked up and it was full blast right in my eye.
And just like that, let's weld it back on. Just a little cleaning to do.
You're probably gonna have to grind that flat.
Oh yeah.
That's a nice flat weld though, I tell you what.
I wanted to make sure there was enough there.
You sound good.
That's why I'm the best welder here.
Yeah, there's a trace.
I don't ever remember changing that shifter. Alright. Oh my god. Show the crowd what we got over there.
So if you guys missed it, let's say a few months ago now, we did a video on replacing the floors in this Javelin behind me. And when we got to it, we never cleaned the floor, and it's bad.
Yeah?
Pretty bad.
Yeah, we're gonna need a push broom for this one.
Yep. So, well, let's clean all that now. My project, I mean, it's kind of along the lines of familiar, but also with a little bit of its twist.
Yep.
try not to give out too much details yet on the vehicle, but
Import for you guys that like those kind of things.
but it's definitely trying to focus heavily on a budget build engine-wise, to make sure that we could find decent parts on Amazon to rebuild an entire LLS engine.
Yeah. And it's always nice to have an LS engine and something that's normally not in.
Agreed.
Yeah.
I agree.
Push this bad boy outside.
Yep.
Perfect idea to use jack bed.
See, we got lug nuts on it now.
We do have some lug nuts. Are over there in the tires, but there should be. Look at that. Back on his wheels for the first time in forever. For the first time in forever. Yeah, I was singing it. Don't judge me.
He sings a lot. Is the bed attached?
The bed is attached. But so is the drive shaft. Makes it push forward. Okay.
Nope.
Yeah, it's resting on my And I think we have a little bit to do on the plow hog yet.
Yeah.
Before winter hits.
Yep.
We got a body mount to fix, and so we got a lot of videos that should be coming up here soon.
Lots of content. Lots of shenanigans.
A lot of shenanigans.
A lot of shenanigans. Big time. Yeah. It's going to be awesome. Can't wait to show everybody when we're turning wrenches and making product happen.
I can't wait for some of the projects to finally be done
Drivable.
and drivable.
Yep.
Yeah, because we got car shows to go to.
Yeah.
Yes. Next year, we're definitely going to hit up Outer Banks again. That's a great car show.
Yep.
That's in May.
I'm trying for Syracuse too.
We're going to try for the group of us. We're going to try to go to Syracuse. That is in
Is that
July.
July? That's July,
Yeah, that's
yeah.
July. We might hit up Bloomsburg again with a truck show.
Depends on Syracuse though.
That's going to depend on. Unfortunately, we can't hit them all.
Can't hit them all.
Then truck shows like a week before Syracuse.
So they're, instead of emptying this, they are going to attempt to move everything in one shot.
Come on, Mike, use those gym muscles. I'm trying.
We're moving this out of the way because behind that ply board,
It's actually a 4-post lift.
a drive-on 4-post lift that we're actually not going to be using. We're going to be moving it back to the end of the engine, or this bay.
Yeah,
So we can
it's
sell
gonna
it.
go for sale.
Gonna do the best we can to get some off-roading stuff in.
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
gonna try to get some all that'll be coming up before winter. Hopefully, we'll
Yeah.
get some off-roading content in.
Yep.
We
Get
didn't
the old
get too
Amigo
much.
out, the
Yeah.
S10.
Yeah, we didn't get too much off-roading this year.
No,
We didn't
no.
get any this year.
Yeah, it's been 2 years.
Yeah.
2 years since we went off-roading.
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
Chad still got the little championship. But if Chad doesn't go this time, because Chad says that he might not get the Jeep done, he forfeits the title.
I couldn't agree more.
I would have
I
to
just
say
have
that.
to. I hope that he's listening right now, and that
Yeah.
he just. If not, we just break in and take it from him because it's ours.
It's true.
If he doesn't
It
show
is
up.
ours. Yeah,
Yeah.
it should be.
So hopefully we're coming for that title, Chad. We'll sneak in with Mass.
That would be cool. I have full faith in my little S10's abilities. She's gonna rock it this time.
Yeah.
The S10's good to go. She's ready.
He welded up the frame.
Frame's
We
welded
did that
up.
video on the
Yep.
frame.
Yep.
And,
Did some rust repair recently.
ooh,
Nice.
rust repair on the off-road ring.
I'd rather have
Wow.
dings, dents, and scrapes and scratches instead of rust. I hate rust.
Yeah.
Rust
and
and rot suck.
I have yet to try out the the locker in front of the Amigo.
Yeah.
So we'll see if it
That
makes
just
pieces.
that just shows you how long it's been since we've gone, because that was like what, a year ago? A little bit more than a year ago. You
That
put
was
that
last
locker
summer,
in?
yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean we got
It's
some,
due time to go off-roading.
we are way past due.
Well, we have taken all day to clean everything up, and it looks a lot better in here than it did before.
Yeah, it's definitely not 100%. We got a lot cleaned up. We got the workbenches and stuff, but that's on a later date. We spent a long time cleaning this stupid thing.
All day, but it was all worth it.
Absolutely.
All worth it. It's
Much needed, too.
Much needed. Nothing better than working in a clean, organized environment, especially what we do.
Yeah.
So
Well, when you guys were laying on the floor and I won rock, paper, scissors.
Oh,
floor.
my
that's
goodness.
fair. I appreciate that.
Yeah, you know. That's but if you guys stayed with us this long, please like and subscribe. I know it was kind of a video, but hopefully you enjoyed it a little bit.
Therapeutic.
And,
It's therapeutic.
yeah, it's nice
very-
and clean at the end.
yeah.
Yes, nice and clean.
Satisfying video.
Yeah, that's the word.
That's
the
what we
word.
did today.
That's what we did.
Satisfying video.
Satisfaction at its finest.
What
Yep.
they said.
Yeah.
So
Anyway,
we'll catch you guys on the next shenanigans.
see you later.
Later, guys.
That was weird. We said it at the same
Yeah,
time.
it was a little bit weird.
That's all right.